Hi everyone, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a storage update and I'm super excited to show you my new method, and I think it's a game changer. At least for me it is. I am constantly evolving the layout of my craft room. I always challenge how I organize certain products only because either I'll buy more or I'll just hate the way it works. So I just came up with a new method because I'm currently in a ribbon slash faux leather organization method, and I had to show you what I did. So previously they all stood in a stack just like this in a bin, and I would use them and then I put a rubber band and then put them back, and I just hate this method. It just was not working for me. And it's not like Hobby Lobby is going to stop dropping different prints or the sale's going to stop happening and I just keep buying at 50% off. So, it's just a never evolving process, but I'm super excited with what method I came up with. Now, I just wanted to show you some of the new faux leathers that I did pick up from Hobby Lobby. This is a beautiful black braided number and it is gorgeous. I did take this off the spool just for purposes of my new updated storage. This is a beautiful snakeskin silver finish. It is so chic and I cannot wait to do a project with them. This is a matte black one. Again, looks like leather. This has a black backing as well. Super chic. This brown one is stunning and gorgeous. I can't wait to make a fall project with this. This Beetlejuice black and white stripe is so cute and it was just giving me Beetlejuice vibes, so I had to have it. And this buffalo check one, I've always wanted this one, but I just didn't know what I would do with it. Again, super pretty, and now I have a specific project in mind. 50% off, you can't go wrong, and let's get into my new storage method. So I had a whole bunch of these plastic pockets, and basically they have a little snap closure on the back, and I just put a label because I love labels on everything. It just makes my life a lot easier. I have the matte, I have the glitter, I have my hollow, and this hollow is so pretty from Hobby Lobby. I have my pleather, and again, they fit a whole bunch. I even put my scraps in here just because I wanted to keep it together. I'm sorry for the glare. It's plastic. There's nothing I could do about it. Again, this is my metallic bunch. So I think it just works so well with me, and it's not like I'm going to stop. So they basically stand stacked like this in a container that I have with all of my other scraps or papers. I have my felts in there as well. This is just kind of how I organize. Well, now I'm organizing it, and they stand up just like this. So you're talking about spools and spools and spools all stuck in these little organization pockets, and I think it just is genius. So just for the purposes of just showing you what I do, this is the black braided matte one that I just purchased, and I'm just going to take out the ones that I have. So I kind of go here and there. So this is the one that I'll have here. This is the folded section. I'll leave the open section on this side, and then I'll just start stacking them. Again, this is the folded one. I'll take this one and then just go the other way just because it keeps the bulky even on both sides. And I'll take another folded one and go the other way. And then I'll just insert this back into the envelope. And they fit like a glove. Just like that. And I'm just going to stick this little extra scrap that I have. And that spool that was taking up so much room now just got compressed into this little itty bitty folder. I am in love with this method. I just cannot believe how much space I'm saving with this. I will leave the folders, and I purchased these off Amazon, and they're actually on sale. They're a lot cheaper than when I bought them. So I'll leave a link down below. I think this is a game changer, and hopefully saves you some space and gets you organized. That is it for my video today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.